Have you ever heard someone tell you you need to breathe deep in the belly to be relaxed, to breathe with the diaphragm? And if you've ever had this feeling of frustration, like I can't even feel my belly when I breathe, I don't feel anything. If that's the case, I'll help you with this video to start working on that. Have you ever had the feeling as well that your rib cage was not becoming a place of freedom, but more like a jail where everything is locked up and you can even like breathe in, feeling like almost like you're just gasping for air? If that's the case, I will also help you to start working on that. This will give you what? This will make you more aware of the whole breathing system, which will lead to you breathing less, so feeling more relaxed. You will have more energy as well because you're using almost 100% of the breathing system instead of using only 50% or 60% being locked up. So this is what I will help you with today. Let's get started. So let's get started on these breathing exercises. Keep in mind that all the movement, there's going to be one laying down the back, front, both sides, and on knees and elbow. I'm going to show you the technique. Then please put on pause after every technique and try to do it for at least 2 to 3 minutes, or at least 2 minutes. Yeah, let's get started. What you want to do first is you lay down on your back. The goal is to bring back awareness to the whole breathing system from the pelvis, pelvic floor, up to the chest here, up to the neck area. Okay, so what you do first is you're going to start, take a normal inhale, try to bring as much air in, and then you bring your belly button in, try to bring air into your rib cage, making sure you're not curving too much. You can bring your belly in to have nice neutral spine, and relax. I bring the air in. Imagine that the air you're breathing is a bubble of air. Down. You're going to do it again. Breathe in. And now I will bring all the air down into the pelvis as much as I can. And then on the left side, right side, and exhale. Then afterwards you combine up and down. It looks like this. I breathe in. Bubble of air up, bubble of air down, left, right, and relax. Do that at least 2-3 times. That's going to be about 2 minutes, okay? For this second step, you will lay down face down. We're going to try to feel the expansion of the lower back, the lumbar spine, when you breathe. So now we go face down, and what I want you to focus on is to feel your back expanding from the lumbar spine up to your thoracic cage. So what we do is we take a big inhale again, same exercise. I finish it with the mouth to get as much air as possible, and then I bring my belly button in, feeling the back of my rib cage expanding. And I exhale. Again, start with the nose. And breathing with the mouth to finish it up. Then I bring all this bubble of air down. And a bit on the left. Right. And exhale. I'm not trying to move myself to bring the bubble of air, just gently. Remember that you breathe with muscle. The air doesn't get in just by pure magic, okay? You use muscle contraction, the diaphragm is the main one, to get the air in, okay? Now, last stage, like we did before, full inhale. I bring the bubble of air up by bringing my belly button in. I bring the bubble of air down. You should feel your chest compressing a bit when you do that, bringing the bubble of air down. And left, right, and exhale. Now you're going to go on your left side, so lay down on your left side and follow my instructions. You can put a pillow underneath your head if you want to. Actually, put a pillow behind your head. I don't have a pillow right now, so just put a pillow, better. And you can put your hand just like this. Don't put your hand underneath it. Just put the pillow like this. For now, I'll just put my hand. It's fine. Put your right hand against your right side of the rib cage. And you're going to, again, breathe in. But this time we're going to play around. I want you to bring your belly button in and expand the right side of the rib cage. And exhale. I can feel everything moving more. There's more happening here. Then afterwards, we're going to breathe in again, but bring diagonal, everything on the left side, because the left hip is closing a bit here. So we're going to bring more awareness here. So again. Pushing down. And exhale and relax. Now, both together. Bubble of air here. Trying to keep your spine as neutral as you can. Huh? Don't make sure you don't curve too much here and the neck is not too much. Try to make it as neutral as possible. Bubble of air here and then push it down. And relax. Again, do this at least 2 or 3 times. Now, you guessed it, we're going to go on the right side now. Now on this side, again, same principle. Bubble of air on this left side of the rib cage and then on the right side of the hip. So you breathe in from the pelvis, up, bring your belly button in, bring awareness on the left side of the rib cage, bring the air down here, and exhale, relax. Do it again, breathing in. Expand the left side of the rib cage, then push the air down, bring it back up, down, and exhale. I give you a bit of variation here. You can really keep the same inhale and play around here. Okay, you can play maybe 2, 3, 4 times if you can hold your breath that long. And now we're going to go face down on your knees and on your elbows. Follow the instructions. And finally, we're going to play a bit with gravity here. So you're going to be in this position, head relax. And again, you're going to breathe deep. Try to breathe as much in the pelvis as you can. Then you're going to bring this bubble of air into your rib cage. Relaxing the neck. Keep it for some time. Try to really bring awareness at the back of the rib cage, maybe around the shoulders as well. And relax. One more time, but this time we're going to go deep in the pelvis. I almost feel like all the blood going into my head and my chest contracting to bring this bubble of air down into the pelvis. And relax. This is good because we're really bring awareness on the muscles. As the gravity is working against us, we really need to bring more awareness to it and work them more. Then second step, back and forth. And up in the rib cage. And down. Making sure when you push down, you don't push the belly out. No, you really try to expand this side and this side, okay? It's important. I don't want to see you like hanging with the belly like this. It's not the objective. We still want to have the 360 feeling, okay? So try to repeat these. Obviously, you check the before and after. Normally, your breathing should be more calm. As your breathing system has more awareness, you don't need to breathe that many times per minute. Should almost like feel like it's easier for you to breathe than it was before, and you almost likely feel more relaxed as well. Alright guys, so I hope you're feeling a bit more relaxed now, and remember, it's not just about doing it once and that's it. Try to find routine when you can include that. For example, you're laying down watching Netflix or a video or whatever, or you're just in bed, or you just maybe starting to do your workout or whatever. Bring awareness on your breathing. This is going to help you 100%. Okay? If you like that video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And until then, keep it up.